Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna do a walk around. I'm gonna let you know how much I'll spend like to modify the G. So as y'all know before, the G is a full bolt-on tuned nitrous. So yeah, so for the headlights it's like 475. For the intakes I got them for like 180. For the test pipes I got them for 124. The rims I got them for like 200. Carbon fiber mirror caps got that for like 100. The side splitters I got that for like I got this for like $40 on eBay. The taillights I did them myself, but for the O-rings I pay like 80 something dollars for the O-rings, and I modified myself. Can spray is like $8. The wrap I pay like $3.20 for the wrap, and I also did it myself. So everything on the car I did it myself. So let's go to the interior of the car. So as you can see, I wrap the steering wheel. That was like 30 something dollars for the wrap. For the fabric for the A-pillars I pay like $15, and I did it myself. And for the nitrous I pay like $250 for everything. All right, so I cover headlights, intakes, and yeah, for the white pipe I pay like 130 for the white pipe. For the fog lights, the big one right there, I pay like 30 something dollars, like 36. For the eagle eyes I pay like $12 for 6. And yeah guys, and I'm on coilovers, some eBay coilovers. I pay like $280 for them.